Hello, my name is Elena Rugal and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet simple hourglass pattern using complex stitches. This pattern was created by me. Also, you will know how to make the complex stitch because this is the base for my hourglass stitch pattern. It is not difficult to make, so you can try. In this video you will see step by step how to crochet such pattern. Let's look at the back side of this swatch. Such pattern can be used for phone case, tablecloths, bags, hats and blankets, or accessories for kitchen. Write comment below the video what you will get. For this project you need some tools such as 1.4mm steel crochet hook and 100% mercerized cotton, 169 meters in 50 grams. Pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. So let's crochet with me and you will see it's not difficult. Let's crochet the foundation chain. Make a chain of 34. Pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. And in the row pattern repeats 8 times. And for this pattern you need to crochet 34 stitches for this pattern and plus 2 stitches for more beautiful look. My foundation chain is ready and now let's crochet row 1. It is going to be a row of single crochet. Make chain to bring up the yarn. Now insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet. Then single crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. And so on till the end of the foundation chain. I have done a row of single crochet stitches. Let's crochet the complex stitches. Now I show you how to make the complex stitch. Make a chain of 5 to bring up the yarn. And I'm making the complex stitch. Well done. Turn. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip the first stitch. Insert the hook into the 2nd stitch. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops. Well done. Then pull through 3 loops at once. Then pull through 2 loops 1, 2, 3 times. So my complex stitch is ready. Let's crochet the strings. For this make a chain, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around the stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 1st loop. Like this. Before it I did yarn over the hook. Now I don't make yarn over. Insert the hook around the stitch. Pull up a loop. Make a chain. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Then make a chain and pull a little bit. Make a chain. My complex stitch with 3D volume is ready. This is the back side. It looks like hourglass, so I called it hourglass stitch pattern. Let's repeat again. Yarn over the hook 3 times. We skip the next stitch. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and make the third one. Then pull through first 3 loops, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, 3 times. The complex stitch is ready. Now let's crochet the volume. For it, make a chain, then yarn over, insert the hook around the complex stitch, pull up a loop, make a chain. In total it should be 7 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's make the last one. And the 7th one. Here what I have, I hold all loops with my finger, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, then make a chain, then chain more. Hourglass stitch is ready, so keep working in this way till the end of this row. I have done 8 hourglass stitches, so each row consists of 8 stitches. And now I show you how to complete this row. To complete this row, for this yarn over the hook 3 times. Let's look at the single crochet. And I skip this stitch, and now insert the hook into the first chain stitch on the beginning of the previous row. Make double treble crochet stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. My 2 rows are done, and now I am crocheting a row of single crochet stitches. And I remind you, my pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. So let's continue. So it means you should crochet a row of single crochet stitches, then hourglass stitch pattern. I turn, then make a chain. Make single crochet into the chain space. In total, you should crochet 4 single crochet into the complex stitch. I insert the hook into the complex stitch. This is the top of my 3D stitch. Here, this is my top. This is the second one. Insert the hook into the chain stitch in the complex stitch and make the third one. Then single crochet into the top of my whole complex stitch. In total it should be 4 of them. Let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. As you remember, I made 2 chain stitches in this upper part of the complex stitch, and you should make 1 single crochet into this part. Let's count 1, 2, 3 and 4. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. Then I show you how to complete this row together. Let's complete the 3rd row, and I began my repeating. The 3rd row was like the 1st row of the main pattern. To complete this row, make single crochet into the chain stitch on the beginning of the previous row. Then I going to work with hourglass stitches. Chain all 5 to bring up the yarn. Then I turn the work. In this case, I repeat pattern the 2nd time. In the 2nd piece, this row will be the 2nd row. In total, I have got 4 rows. As I said before, I will begin and you will continue by yourself. Then you should repeat as many times as you need. Yarn over the hook 3 times. We skip the 1st stitch, insert the hook into the 2nd stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops. Then yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and make the 3rd time. Then yarn over and pull through first 3 loops, and pull through 2 loops 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the complex stitch, pull up a loop, make a chain. Then I do not make yarn over, insert the hook around the complex stitch, make a chain. In total it should be 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook and make a chain. Then chain more. My hourglass stitch is ready, so you should continue working in this way till the end of this row. I remind you, my foundation chain consists of 34 chains. 32 chains are for main pattern plus 2 chain stitches for beautiful look. Let's look at my swatch. In this case I have got 6 rows, so I repeat my pattern 3 times. Each small piece consists of 2 rows, and each row has 8 hourglass stitches. Such pattern can be perfect for tablecloths, doily, accessories for kitchen, for bags, phone cases, holder, coasters, rugs, why not? And but for rugs you need to use thick yarn and large hook. For this pattern I used 100% cotton yarn and 1.4 millimeter steel crochet hook. And as a result I have got adorable and in the same time simple pattern. For this pattern I used complex stitches. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me. Please write comment below the video what you will get, and of course learn more from my video tutorials. Bye!